Hearst. We're too generous. We're too open. If we don't watch out, if we don't take steps now to impose some new discipline, some decency, then we're in trouble. Deep trouble. I know it's not fashionable to say this. We're celebrating. Everyone thinks it's over. But democracy carries a price tag.
Hear, hear.
And I just happen to think that one of the most misguided promises we ever made was inscribed on the base of the Statue of Liberty. One that I predict will lead this country into all kinds of trouble. Give us your poor, your huddled masses. Now, we have to stop this before it goes too far. Our conception of America does not include, was never meant to include, this kind of scum.
You'll have to forgive our famous young friend, the artistic temperament. But what you're saying is important, very important.
Right now, we are giving sanctuary to the refuse of the world. All kinds of left-wing intellectuals who'd like nothing more than to bring us down.
Don't you think you're overstating?
No, sir, I do not. And I sometimes wonder if you people realize the responsibility you carry. To my way of thinking, motion pictures are potentially the most influential form of communication ever invented. And there's no control over them. Your message reaches everyone, everywhere.
Message?
Of course. Mr. Chaplin here reaches millions who only have to see. And when they see a mockery being made of our immigration services, I'd call that a message.
Yes. Well, as you've already said, Mr. Hoover, motion pictures are for the people. Most of the people work for a living and they don't make much money doing it. It gives them pleasure to see officialdom and the upper classes getting a kick up the backside. Always has, and it always will. And if that can change things, so much the better. Better.
He's improving.
But motion pictures have made you rich, Mr. Chaplin.
They sure have.
What about your own motion picture career, Mrs. Chaplin?
I think you've handled it all wonderfully.
What?